Well, it's the J15 again, and today I'd like to demonstrate a new feature that I've introduced on this locomotive, which I call Dynamic Westinghouse Pump. Now, as you may know, the Westinghouse pump is used to create air pressure for the brakes, and ordinarily these are running all the time that the locomotive is in steam. On this project, the Westinghouse pump can be turned on by F16. Once turned on, it will run all the time at varying speeds according to the circumstances. At the moment we're in light engine mode, so the pump never has as much work to do, so it will constantly work quite slowly, as you can now hear. So as you can hear, the Westinghouse pump is still working quite slowly while the locomotive is in motion. We're still in light engine mode here, which is F5 on. So still in light engine mode. If we now bring the locomotive to a stand, the Westinghouse pump doesn't really change because it's got no work to do. So now we're moving up to couple up to some empty coaches that we need to move somewhere else. So we need a buffer clash sound at the point that the locomotive meets the end coach. So on this project you can engage the buffer sound while the locomotive is moving, so that as soon as it comes to a stand you will actually hear the sound itself. So the shunter will get out and couple up, as you've heard, and now because we've got the train we need to take the light engine function off, and you will hear the Westinghouse pump increase speed as it has to pump up the air in the train. Now, as per the prototype, if you just leave it sitting there like this, the pump will slowly over time decrease the speed as the air pressure in the train is increased. On this project we have flange squeal on F8. This plays a different sound according to whether you are in light engine mode or not. So now that we're on a train, as soon as the engine comes to a halt, you will hear the Westinghouse pump working hard to replenish the air pressure.